Hello YouTube, it's me again. I've done some more to this rocket stove. I've built a little oven. It's basically a metal box which fits underneath the hot plate and is attached to the side of this, which gets really hot. There's a metal tray. Let's put the food on. And hopefully we'll be able to do something with it. Now I've got some bread rising. I'm making some bread rolls. And we're going to give it a go in this. So obviously once again, I've just built this, just made it, so it's untested, but I like to bring it to you as it really is. So let's get her lit and see what she can do. It needs to get up to heat to start burning the fuel properly. So you're always going to get a bit of smoke at the start. It's only been 5 minutes. Cold. Well, it's been running for 25 minutes exactly now. And the kettle's not boiled yet. You see, that fire has to heat all of this metal mass. It's a large amount of metal for it to heat up. So you've got to give it time. Half an hour or more to get it really up to heat. But the oven is hot enough to burn me now, so that should be good. Oh, hang on. 25 minutes in. Come on, I want my coffee. Let's try the oven. The door isn't that hot. Handle's warm. Let's try the back. Yeah. It's getting warm. Hopefully this should work. I want it to be an oven, not a pasty warmer. That's what the heat is. Give it a bit more time and we'll put the bread rolls in and see what happens. Air control. Sometimes that is shut. It's shut down too much. Other times it's fully open. There's too much air then. So I've found do it one-handed. You can wedge a piece of wood in there and half open it, half close it. You don't want too much air because it takes the heat out of the fire, but then you want enough air to create the rocket effect. At the moment there's no smoke coming out of the chimney, a few wisps out of here, so it's running about right, I think. I can hear the kettle starting to boil, so that's good. Exactly 31 minutes in. As soon as I get the kettle boiled and pour my coffee, I'll get the bread rolls and try them. See what we get. 32 minutes. Kettle's boiled. That is 32 minutes from first lighting it up, so not too bad. Put it on to cool a bit. Let's go and get a bread roll. Ooh, freshly made bread. Let's try it. How hot is this? Not too bad. Right. Only just enough room for these two. So let's put him in. Check the time. The time is 3:55. So let's give it 20 minutes. See what happens. Well, it's been about 10 minutes so far, so let's have a quick look, a sneaky look. Shouldn't really. Let's see if anything's happened. Don't know. Ooh. The top's going crispy. Give them another 10 minutes. It's been another 10 minutes or so. This is exciting and scary. Got another couple of rolls there ready to go in. I think it's going to work, but let's have a look. Oh, bit of brownage on the one. Let me turn those round. Put it back. I've let all the heat out now, which is a shame, but you gotta have a look. Obviously this side's a lot hotter because of the heat coming up the flue, so I want both of them to brown. So I've spun it round. I'll give it another 5 minutes, 10 minutes, see what happens then. The other good thing is you can put the kettle on this side and it just keeps warm. Move it over and it only takes a minute to start boiling again, so it might take a while for the first boil, but as long as you keep it on the hot plate, you've only got to wait a minute and you can have a nice cup of coffee or a cup of tea. Cool. Okay, it's been around another 15 minutes or so. Let's see what's happened. Yeah. Wow. That's hot. Bread rolls. Hot, hot, hot bread rolls. Hang on. Yeah, baby. Round 2. It's getting warm, that handle now. It's starting to rain. Hot baked bread rolls and my second coffee. It works. It takes a bit longer than a normal oven, but then it's going to. About 15 minutes more. It's a success. Like I say, I'm trying to bring you this when I make these videos. I'm not trying to test things and then pretend. There's no point. Make it as it really is. And it works. Lovely bread rolls. Amazing. I'm doing some salmon now. Cooking a bit of salmon. And I've drilled a 4mm hole. And I put my temperature probe in it, so you can actually see it was at 100 a second ago. But as I opened it, it went down to 95. Let's see if it creeps up again. I think it's slowly creeping up. I think 95 to 100 is about the limit, but that's about, well, that's cooking temperature, so that's not too bad. And it's raining at the moment. Just spitting. I think the salmon might be done.